Hello, and welcome to this video on IBM Data Virtualization Manager for zOS. Today we are going to show you how to create the DVM server instance for zOS Connect, the second step you will need to perform before creating APIs for mainframe data. Just to recap, in the last video, we showed you how to set up the DVM service provider for IBM zOS Connect. In this video, we're going to focus on how to set up the DVM server instance needed for interacting with IBM zOS Connect. So let's dive in and do that right now. The first thing you need to do is to go into USS and change directory to the directory in USS that contains the zOS Connect create command. You can see that I've done that already. Then you issue the command to set the Java homepage. You issue the command to set the WLP user directory. And you issue the zOS Connect create command to create the server instance. I'm going to change the server name to a name of a server that we're going to create, which is AVZ1ZC. There, the server instance has been created. The next thing you're going to want to do is to modify the supplied server XML file. At the top of the file, there's some features that you'll want to go over to make sure that the features you require are enabled. And the SSL area for security purposes will need to be configured according to the shop that you're at. Then we're going to set the HTTP and HTTPS ports that zOS Connect listens on. You're going to need to make sure that those ports are open and available. We're going to use 12052 and 12053. Then after that, you're going to want to set the registry name. You can see that I already have it set to AVZ1R1, and it's in 2 locations on the file. And lastly, you're going to want to set the WOLA name, group name, which is I've already set to AVZ1W1 at this point. Then the next thing you'll do is you're going to upload the server XML file to USS and replace the one that is out there. So you're going to start an FTP session like I have done already, and you can see that I've changed directory to the directory of the server instance we created where the server XML file is at. That's just the base server XML file that was created when we created the server instance. And on the left side here is the server XML file that we just modified with our configuration settings. And we're going to upload that to USS and overlay the other one. You're going to click to do it, make sure that you're doing it in binary mode. And we're going to upload and overlay that server XML file. There we go. That concludes setting up the server instance for IBM Data Virtualization Manager. The next and final step is to create your Web Service Optimized Local Adapter, or WOLA, and do the final setup of your DVM server. Please watch the next video to take you through those steps.